Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. A few weeks ago, Defy celebrated their birthday, and they had this hop, and I never can get her channel name right, and I'm going to spell it to you. Attache Papers, aka Tina. And I won a prize from her. And that's the two. So let's share. And I do remember one was a book. I'm all excited because I haven't been able to find any Reader's Digest. So I got I want a Reader's Digest. Woohoo! So I can do the journal. Oh, there's a cool looking picture in here. Look at that picture. See, I might read it first before I tear into it. Oh, that's a cool picture. So, got that. Man, there's other stuff in here I wasn't expecting, so let's check it out, guys. We have, let's see. Tough times don't last. I said, sometimes I fall. He said, I see you through. I said, but what if I fall? He said, I will carry you. I said, my fears are great. He said, trust me alone. But I said, but I'm depressed. He said, I'll cheer on you. I said, life isn't easy. He said, please let me help. Remember, I love you. I said, Lord, I accept. Thinking of you and praying for you. Thinking of you and praying for you and thankful for you. You have a very special place. Feelings 1.7. Cool card. Love the texture. Look at that pretty bird. So got that. And this is some of the stuff she made. Okay. So this is some of her paper. Cool. And got some doilies. And one of her envelopes. Ah, cool. And we got a green envelope with, oh, look at some lace samples. Ooh, them are pretty. Thank you, Tina. So nice of you. Put them right back in there. I love this color, neon. I like neon colors. I have a thing for neon colors. It's weird, I know. It's an 80s kid thing, I guess. 90s. Okay, got that. And then there's another envelope. Oh! Ooh, some eyelash trim-in. I'm not going to take it all apart. I'll just show you. Ooh, that's pretty. Just look at this envelope. She dyed it. Or painted it with gold. One or the other. But it's showing from green to gold. That's cool. And we got some book pages. I think she may have dyed these. I feel like it. Nora Roberts. I took apart a Nora Roberts book. Ooh. And then we got some large index cards. Cool. We got some tickets. Love my tickets. And this is kind of cool. I remember this on my desk as a kid. You wrote your name and it was sat right there on top. Like you'd forget who you were. Or I guess that's so that person knew that's your seat, maybe. Now I think about it. We got some birds. That's cool. We got about Nebraska. Nebraska was the first state to join the Union after the Civil War. Never knew that. That's kind of cool. And Colorado on the other side. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, look at this. Music paper. Mayor song. What's the image? 3 white doves. And happy harmony. Oh, look at this. It's like Oriental writing. Chinese writing, Oriental. I don't know what you'd call it, but that's cool. Please, that'd be a cool envelope. And then we have a book, Christmas for Everybody. And then we have, looks like let's look at the door. This is a flyer out of a book. Page. Well, I can't talk here. We have an envelope, and look at the matching paper. That's cool. And then we have some of her paper. I think avocado. I think she said she did these with avocado. It's been a few weeks, and I can't remember, Tina. So if you watch this later, let me know, because I think she did this with avocado, and I never knew you could do that. but they're not. They're like fluid. They're pink color. They're not like a tea. But they look really nice pink to me. Or my eyes are playing a trick on me. You never know with me. So thank you so much, Tina. I will have Tina's channel, ATTACHE Paper, aka Tina's channel, linked in the description box below. So please go over and give her a check out and tell her I sent you. And thank you, Tina, so much. I love the goodies. You will see them in a future project, because I already got plans. I'll probably read the story first, or stories. Sometimes they got more than one story in this, so I'm not sure. I used to read these. Let's see. The following. Follow the Stars. Hunting Badger, The Quiet Game, and Second Wind are in this. So, I used to love reading these. So I might read this before I act. Oh, there's another picture. Oh my God, look at that picture. For 30 years, the good citizens of Attache, Mississippi, played the quiet game. They kept their secrets, held their tongues. Penny Cage is about to break the silence. That is so cool with the tree. See, I would save that. Okay. Oh, see, that's another one. Hunting Badger. But it's got a gun. It's kind of cool, though. There's the tree. Ooh, 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 look at that one. Second Wind. I like short stories, so I was always intrigued by these. So, I'm going to let y'all go. And thank you again, Tina. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.